Back at Elkview, discovered a new waterfall. This one is past the first one. After you go through the little railroad tunnel. Kind of a three-pitched waterfall. It's probably a quarter-mile upstream from the one there at the railroad tunnel. Thought it was pretty neat. Just gonna enjoy the water flow for a minute. This place, if you've never rode here and you live in Kentucky, you've got to come here. I never come here and don't find something new. It's probably my 20th trip here, and I still find stuff new to this day.